Let's be honest, who doesn't like a little bit of free cash? Well, when it comes to your mortgage, you'll be glad to know that lenders sometimes do throw money back at you. We're going to spend the next 25 to 30 years paying a ton of interest along the way, so it is nice that sometimes lenders can pay a bit back to you. Hi, I'm Sam, a mortgage expert here in the UK, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I go through everything in terms of mortgages, finances, insurances, deposits, you name it. I'll break this down on a weekly video to make sure you're well equipped to understand the world of mortgages. Right, and before we get into it, make sure you do me a favor, like and subscribe. We know that only 91% of people engage with our videos, so please do us a favor and drop us a like and a follow. So I'm not lying, a mortgage offering a lump sum cash rebate upon completion can be a thing. Now, cashback from lenders can be anywhere from £250 up to £1,000, and sometimes it can be even higher depending on the type of mortgage. The highest I've seen is about £2,500, which goes right towards your legal fees. Now, the aim of this from a lender is to make sure that the upfront costs seem like they're paid for a little bit, but what we need to know is that you are still going to pay that money back over an interest rate of 3, 4, maybe 5% over the next 20 or so years. So you're going to pay them back a massive amount of money. So 250 quid is the least that they can do. So let's take a look at some of the pros of a cashback mortgage. Well, it's invariably going to provide you some financial relief because the lender is going to provide a cash lump sum after you complete it to the solicitor. So what you tend to find is the solicitor bill will be minus the £250 or £500, whatever it is. Cashback is typically linked to fixed mortgage payments as well. So if you have a fixed deal, the next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, however long you've taken that product over, means your payments aren't going to change. Now let's take a look at some of the cons that could be here with the cashback mortgage offer. So sometimes there might be a higher interest rate. Now lenders might offer cashback deals as part of a higher interest rate compared to standard mortgages. So if they're offering you £1,000 cashback, there may be a caveat that it's fee-free, but the interest rate is slightly higher as well. And there might be a limited cashback amount. So the only thing with this is that the lender might only offer you £200 cashback, £250. It might not be a massive amount, but look, it's 250 quid back in your pocket. The other thing to watch out for is products that come with cashbacks might have a higher fee. So some deals might include a higher arrangement fee or early repayment charges because they're offering you that incentive up front. So they're giving you this cash back, but you might pay for it in other areas. So have a look at the fine print. As mortgage advisors, we always look at the total costs. So we're going to look at the overall cost of the mortgage, including interest rates and fees and all that sort of thing. So we can say to you, based on a 5-year assessment, this lender works out better than this lender because of all these factors in there as well. It's not just about getting that headline rate, whoever's the cheapest on that day, and throwing the application to them. We'd always say assess your financial situation, ensure that the cashback aligns with your immediate financial needs, and the higher interest rates won't outweigh the benefits as well. But working with a broker, we can make sure all that's sorted for you. Longer term implications, consider how the mortgage term fits in with your long-term financial plans, especially if you're going to remortgage before the end of the term as well. So yeah, look, cashback mortgages can be beneficial for those who might need a little bit of financial assistance along the way with home improvements or home moving costs. However, it is crucial to weigh the immediate benefits against the potential longer term costs if there are higher interest rates and upfront product fees associated. So we always say compare different deals, consider seeking advice from somebody like us, and we'll make sure it's the best move for you. And that's it, to be honest with you. Cashback mortgages are a thing. They can be great. They might not be the best thing, but what we would always say is let's just check the fine print. Let's look at the affordability. Let's carry out an overall assessment. And if that lender is also offering cashback, then quid's in. You're getting 250 quid as well. If you need anything else, give me a shout, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.